Hey there, English learners! Welcome back to the Speak English Flow, your favorite place to improve your English while talking about real-life topics that actually matter. I'm Emma.
And I'm Mohin. We're so happy you're here with us today. Whether you're listening on your way to work, during a study break, or just relaxing at home, thank you for spending a few minutes with us. Get comfortable because today's conversation is something almost everyone can relate to.
Today we're talking about something I know a lot of you deal with, morning motivation, or honestly, the lack of it.
Oh, no, please don't ask me about this morning.
What happened?
My alarm rang at 6:30 and I looked at it and said out loud, "Nope, I quit today."
You quit the day before it even started.
Then my coffee machine took 2 extra seconds and I said, "That's it, I quit coffee too."
Did you actually quit coffee?
I took 1 sip and unquit it immediately.
So you quit quitting coffee?
Basically, yes. And then my bus was late, so I quit the bus too. I almost decided to just live at that bus stop.
Ugh, that's painful. I think so many of us do this. We don't actually quit anything, we just talk like we want to quit at every small problem.
But why does our brain do that first thing in the morning?
That's exactly what we're breaking down today. And here's the good news. You don't need a big miracle morning, just a few small shifts.
Okay, I'm listening.
And if mornings are hard for you too, and you want gentle, real English while you get ready for your day,
Then make sure to subscribe to Speak English Flow and join our growing community of English learners from around the world. Your support helps us create more practical conversations, useful vocabulary, and real-life English episodes just like this one.
every single subscriber means a lot to us, and we're so grateful to have you learning with us. All right, let's jump right into today's conversation. So, why is motivation so hard to find in the morning? Here's the simple answer. Your brain in the morning is like a clean sponge. Whatever goes in first soaks in deepest.
What do you mean? Are you saying that the very first things we see, hear, or think about in the morning can actually influence our mood and energy for the rest of the day?
Think about it like this. If the first thing you do is check stressful messages or scroll bad news, your brain absorbs that stress and it colors your entire day.
So the first 10 minutes basically set the tone for everything after.
Exactly. That's how mornings work.
So what do we actually do about it?
The first thing, and it sounds too small to matter, pick one non-negotiable step for your morning.
Non-negotiable. What does that mean exactly?
It means something you don't discuss with yourself. You don't wake up and ask, should I do this today? You just do it, like brushing your teeth.
So, no negotiating with my own brain at 6:30 a.m.
Exactly. Maybe it's one glass of water. Maybe it's 2 sentences in English about your day.
So, it doesn't have to be big.
Not at all. A huge goal feels like running a marathon with no training, but one small non-negotiable step, that anyone can do, every single day.
1 step, no negotiation. I can try that tomorrow.
That's exactly the idea.
That makes sense. But what if I do the small step every morning and I still feel like nothing is changing? What if the motivation just doesn't show up?
That's actually the next thing I want to talk about. Most people picture success as a big stage, lights, everyone clapping.
Yeah, like winning an award or something.
But real success is usually very quiet. It's simply not stopping when it's boring and nobody's watching.
So, success is basically just showing up again and again?
Exactly. I had a student who sent me a 30-second voice note every day for 30 days. Nothing fancy. Sometimes she was tired. Sometimes she had a bad day. But she was relentless.
Relentless.
It means she never stopped, even when it was hard. And after 30 days, her English sounded completely different, more confident.
So, she didn't become a movie star. She just became the person who didn't quit.
Exactly. And that quiet consistency is real success.
Okay, but what about those mornings when I don't feel motivated at all? Sometimes my brain doesn't want to work, doesn't want to exercise, and honestly doesn't want to do anything productive. It just wants the sofa and my phone.
Oh, we all know that feeling. Comfort feels amazing, but growth doesn't live inside your comfort zone.
So, what do I do when that lazy voice shows up?
Sometimes you just have to tell yourself, snap out of it, meaning stop the negative mood quickly and act.
Snap out of it. Now, I like that. It's direct.
It is, because if you make a half-hearted plan, like, I'll do it if I have time, you probably won't do it.
Half-hearted, meaning your body's there, but your heart isn't really in it?
Exactly. So push through that first uncomfortable minute. After that, it actually gets easier.
Uncomfortable now, stronger later.
That's it exactly.
The last one is about your mind, not your to-do list. Give yourself a few quiet minutes with no phone before the noise starts.
Just sit there?
Yes, our minds are so noisy all day. Notifications, messages, videos. In morning silence, your real voice comes back.
Not Instagram's voice, not your boss's voice.
Exactly, your own. And that quiet voice can ask you something simple, like, am I okay right now?
That sounds so small, but I think it actually matters a lot.
It does, because those few quiet minutes stop you from falling into the same rut every single day.
Rut, meaning stuck in the same boring routine.
Exactly. Quiet minutes help you turn a corner before the day even really starts.
Turn a corner, like things start getting better.
Exactly that.
All right, those tips are so practical and easy to use. I love that none of them require huge changes. They're simple things that almost anyone can start doing tomorrow morning.
And before we close, let's go over the key words and expressions from today's episode. The first word is relentless, meaning you don't stop. You keep going again and again, even when it's hard.
Like that student who sent a voice note every single day for 30 days.
Exactly. Next, half-hearted. When you do something without your full energy, your heart isn't really in it.
That's basically every gym plan I've ever made.
Next, non-negotiable. Something you never discuss with yourself. You just do it, no matter what.
Like brushing your teeth. No debate needed.
Exactly. Next phrase, snap out of it, meaning stop a negative move quickly and take action.
I say that to myself almost every morning.
Next, push through, to keep going even when something feels difficult or uncomfortable.
You feel the wall, but you move through it anyway.
Next, burnout, a deep tiredness after too much stress for a long time. Your body and mind need a real rest.
That's different from just being sleepy one morning.
Exactly, it's much deeper. Next, spiral, when your thoughts or feelings go down and get worse and worse.
Like one bad thought leading straight into a bad mood.
Next, rut, being stuck in a same boring, unhelpful routine. Wake up, work, phone, sleep, repeat.
I think I live in a rut some weeks.
Next, show up, meaning you arrive, you're present. You actually do the thing you said you would do.
Like pressing play on this episode today. That already counts.
And the last one, on the fence, when you're not sure, not really choosing yes or no, just stuck in the middle.
I'm always on the fence about waking up early.
And those are your key words from today. Use one of them in a sentence this week and they will stick with you forever.
Try just one. That's enough to start. Those words are so useful, especially for talking about tough mornings in real life. I think my favorite part is that they're simple expressions you can actually use in everyday conversations, not just in an English lesson.
I love how naturally they just come up in everyday conversation.
All right, that officially wraps up today's episode. Thanks for spending part of your day with us and practicing your English along the way.
We hope today's conversation gave you a little more energy for your morning and a little more English along the way.
And if this episode helped you feel a bit more ready to start your day,
please subscribe to Speak English Flow and share it with one friend who also struggles with mornings.
that one share truly means the world to us. It helps more English learners discover the channel and learn alongside our community.
Just one friend. That's enough.
See you next time on Speak English Flow.
Your progress doesn't end here. Click on the next video to keep your English growing. Until then, take care, keep practicing, and bye for now.